Okay students, here is the next question. I will give the explanation. Continuation of the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z. Okay. Find the image of Y is equal to B under the transformation W is equal to 1 by Z. The solution. Okay, we'll write the solution. Given W is equal to 1 by Z. So when W is 1 by Z, we have derived X is equal to U by U square plus V square and Y is equal to minus V by U square plus V square. So this you have to derive it. So, or you can directly substitute. When W is equal to 1 by Z, we have X and Y values like this. Now we take the given equation Y is equal to B. This implies instead of Y we can substitute this value. Okay, what is Y? Y is minus V by U square plus V square. So we get minus V by U square plus V square is equal to, what is the value? It is B. This implies minus V is equal to cross multiplying B into U square plus V square. Similar to the previous question, instead of Y we substitute this, then B we have in the RHS cross multiplying, then you take minus V to the other side, we get plus V. Then to eliminate this B, dividing by B, this B will be eliminated, right? We have to divide by B each and every term. So B will be eliminated. We have U square plus V square plus V by B is equal to 0. That is here. Okay, plus V by B is equal to 0. We know this is a circle. Center is minus G comma minus F and radius is given by root of G square plus F square minus C. So this is a circle of the form. Okay, circle of the form. What is the form? U square plus V square plus 2GU plus 2FV plus C is equal to 0. Okay, this is a circle of this form where center is minus G comma minus F and radius is this equation. Now let us find G, F and C. We know where G is given by 1 by 2 coefficient of U. What is coefficient of U here? There is no U term. You have U square term but no U term. So 0 U. Coefficient of U is 0. So instead of coefficient of U I take 0. 1 by 2 into 0 it is 0. Then 1 by 2 into coefficient of V, that is F value. 1 by 2 into what is coefficient of V? You have V square and B here. So you have V term. Coefficient of V is 1 by B. Okay. This is V. Together with V we have 1 by B. So instead of coefficient of V substitute 1 by B. So 2 into B, 2B. 1 into 1, 1 by 2B is F. C is the constant term. Okay, C is constant term. You can write C is constant, which is there any constant term? It is, you have U square term, V square term, V term. Constant term is taken as 0. So now let us write the center value. What is center? Minus G comma minus F. Minus G. What is G? G is 0. So 0 comma minus F. So minus F means minus 1 by 2B. Minus 1 by 2B. My center is minus G comma minus F. G is 0 and F is 1 by 2B. So 0 comma, you have to take negative for G and F. So 0 comma, what about F when you take negative? Minus 1 by 2B. 0 comma minus 1 by 2B. Radius is given by this equation, root of G square plus F square minus C. G is 0, F is 1 by 2. Squaring F, 1 by 4B square. 1 by 4B square minus constant C is 0. So root of 1 by 4B square. Root of 1 by 4B square, that is 1 by square root of 4 is 2, square root of B square is B. So 1 by 2B is the radius. So our conclusion is always image will be in terms of U and W. Okay, given equation will be in terms of X or Y. That means in the Z plane we are transforming from Z plane to W plane. Z plane, what is the equation? Y is equal to B. In W plane it will be in terms of U and V, that is a circle U square plus V square plus V by B is equal to 0, where the center of this circle is 0 comma minus 1 by 2B and radius is 1 by 2B. We can draw the diagrammatic representation of this also. Similar to the previous question, we can represent it in a graph. Z plane always we take X and Y axis and the given line Y is equal to B. In Y axis you can draw a straight line parallel to X axis. Okay, this point is B, therefore y is equal to b is a straight line like this. And when you do the transformation in the w plane, we transform this straight line into a circle. Okay, so that's what we have proved. U square plus v square plus v by b is a circle. So the transformation is a circle. So I have drawn a circle here. And what about the center of the circle? You should note down whether you have to draw the circle in the u axis or negative u axis or v axis or negative v axis. So looking into the center point, we have to decide where to draw the circle. So you say 0 comma minus 1 by 2b is the center. So this point is 0, and in y here it is v axis. U point is 0 and v point is minus 1 by 2b. So 0 comma, okay, you have to take 0, v point negative is there, so you have to take the negative v axis, and this is the negative v axis, right, lower part, negative v axis minus 1 by 2b, that is this distance, this point is 1 by 2v. Okay, this much distance is 1 by 2b. So this point is minus 1 by 2b. So we can plot the center here, 0 comma minus 1 by 2b, and we can draw the circle. What about the radius of the circle? It is here, radius is 1 by 2b. So this distance is 1 by 2b. Okay, this distance is 1 by 2b, and we draw the circle. So image of the straight line, using the transformation w is equal to 1 by 2, we get a circle with center 0 comma minus 1 by 2b and radius 1 by 2b. So this is the solution to the question. Okay, now find the image of 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2 using w is equal to 1 by 2. Important question. So here we will find the solution. Given w is equal to 1 by z, we know x is equal to u by u square plus v square and y is equal to minus v by u square plus v square. So now let us take the first inequality, that is we take 1 by 4 is less than y. Okay, consider 1 by 4 less than y. So I will give the explanation. Now 1 by 4 less than y. So 1 by 4 is less than, what is y value? Minus v by u square plus v square. So instead of y I take minus v by u square plus v square. Okay, so this is the first part. I am considering the first part, 1 by 4 less than y, and we have to derive it. Then second case we have to consider y less than 1 by 2. So now I have taken 1 by 4 less than y. Substituting y we get this. Now cross multiplying 1 into, like this, 1 into u square plus v square, we get u square plus v square in the LHS is less than 4 into minus v. Okay, 4 into minus v is minus 4v. So less than minus 4v. Just to interchange the term, cross multiplying this, 4 goes to the RHS, u square plus v square goes to the LHS. So we get u square plus v square is less than minus 4v. Now take this minus 4v to the other side, we get plus 4v. U square plus v square plus 4v less than 0. So you can identify this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle, and let us find G, F and C as usual. G is equal to half into coefficient of u. There is no u term, right? We have only u square term. There is no u term. So 0 u is there. Coefficient of u is 0. F is half into coefficient of v. What is coefficient of v? 4. So half into 4. 2 and 4 can be eliminated. We get 2 here. Now C is the constant term. There is no constant term in this equation, so that is also 0. Now center is minus g comma minus f. G is 0 comma f is 2. So f is 2. So you get minus 2. Okay, minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. Now radius is root of g square plus f square minus c. Root of g is 0. F square means you get 2 square is 4 minus 2 square is 4 minus 0. So you can write minus 0 here. Root 4 is 2. So radius is 4. So we have radius as 4, center as 0 comma minus 2. So what is the image? For this particular equation, this is taken in the Z plane, right? This is in the Z plane, and in W plane equation will be in terms of u and v. So this is u and v. U and v, this is in the W plane. And what is this? Our image is a circle with center, what is our center? 0 comma minus 2 and radius 2. So you can draw the graph like this. So this is u, and this is v, and this is v, and this is the w plane, and in w plane what is the center of the circle? 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2 means negative. This is u point, this is v point, negative v axis, positive, negative. So you have to identify the side properly. So negative side, you can take 0 comma minus 2. This point is minus 2. So 0 comma minus 2 is the center. And what about the radius? Radius is 2. So this distance is 2. This gives the image of the transformation in w plane. Okay. So now we have to continue with y less than 1 by 2. Okay, we continue with the second part, y is less than. Okay, we continue with the second case, that is, let me take the second part, y is less than 1 by 2. So here you have y is less than 1 by 2, and we know y is given by minus v by u square plus v square. So minus v by u square plus v square is less than 1 by 2. Now cross multiplying, take this 2 to the other side and this one. So you get minus 2v is less than u square plus v square. Now take this minus 2v to the RHS. Okay, so we get u square plus v square. This, when it comes to the other side, you get plus 2v. Okay, plus 2v is greater than 0. Okay, here you have 0, because you take this to the other side, it becomes plus 2v, and here you have only 0. So greater than 0. So greater than 0 is here. So this much is a circle where g is equal to half into coefficient of u, no u term 0, f half into coefficient of v, that is 2, coefficient of v is 2, so this is 1, and constant term, there is no c term 0. Center is minus g comma minus f, that is 0 comma minus 1. Radius is root of g square f square minus c. 0 plus 1 minus 0, root 1 is 1. So we can draw the circle with radius 0 minus 1, with the center 0 minus 1 and radius 1. Okay, let us draw this circle now. So in this same graph itself, already we have a w plane graph. We are going to draw this because this is a single equation, inequality. We can draw in this same graph. The first graph you have 0 comma minus 1, right? So this distance is 2. So let me consider this much as 1. This point is 0 comma minus 1 point. Okay, so this is the center of the circle now. What is the center? 0 comma minus 1. So this is center of the circle. And what is the radius? Radius is 1. So this much distance is 1. Okay, this distance is 1. This distance is also 1. So circle will be like this. It will touch this point. Okay, it will be like this. So you can draw a circle with the center 0 minus 1 and radius 1 in the same graph, and it will be like this. Okay. So now what about this one? This final equation is great. U square plus v square plus 2v is greater than 0 represents exterior of the circle. Okay, greater than 0, it represents exterior of the circle. And what about the previous equation? When we take 1 by 4 less than v, you can note down that, you can look into that one. Okay, the previous equation, when 1 by 4 is less than y, we got this one. This is the final equation in the previous case, that is u square plus v square plus 4v is less than 0. Just you can go through the video once again and you take that is just the part which we have completed now. Before this we took 1 by 4 less than y and we got an equation like this, right? U square plus v square plus 4 is less than 0. Less than 0 means it indicates interior of the circle. Okay, it denotes interior of the circle. Greater than 0 means it denotes exterior of the circle. So exterior and interior means, you see, now to be greater than 0 means the smaller circle is the second circle, right? So for this one, this is the smaller circle. Exterior means you have to take the outward area. Okay, outside this smaller circle, that is with the center 0 minus 1. This is the particular circle. Exterior means outside. Earlier, what is the first case? This is interior of the circle. So first case is circle with the center 0 comma minus 2. That is the larger circle. Larger circle. What about the interior region for the larger circle, interior region is this one. You have to take the inside region, okay, inside region, inside. So you see y is in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So you have to take the in between area, okay. In between area means when it is greater than 0 for the first circle, exterior means we take this much portion outside the circle. And for the first circle, it is interior of the circle. Interior means for bigger circle, we take the interior, and it should be the region in between region, because y lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So the region is the intersection of these two circles. This is in the W plane. Also in the Z plane, if you take Z plane, we can draw this one, 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2, right? So y is 1 by 4, we can draw the straight line. This is y is 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 2 means y is this point is half, this point is 1 by 4, okay. So y is equal to 1 by 4, y is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4, right? So we get a straight line here as y is equal to 1 by 4, and this is y is equal to 1 by, this is y is equal to first 1 by 2, and this is y is equal to 1 by 4. And we need the in between region, so you can mark it, okay. Marking what will be that y lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, and it is something like this, okay. The area will be like this, in between region between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, and here it is the intersection of the two circles. So Z plane, two straight lines, and this is the intersecting region, and when you transform it to the W plane, you get intersection of two circles. So this is the image, okay, this is the image. So this gives the image of 1 by 4 less than y less than 1 by 2, that is intersection of two circles. So this is the conclusion. Okay, next question, find the image of mod Z minus 1 is equal to 1 under the